Hey everyone, I'm Krishnanshu Mittal from Upside Down Labs, and today I'm going to show you NPG Lite Cardio, a simple way to monitor your heart activity and heart rate anywhere, anytime. It's a web-based ECG monitor designed for Neuro PlayGround Lite that directly runs on your browser. No app installs and no complicated setup. Simply connect your NPG Lite over Bluetooth to view a live ECG waveform along with your heart rate in real time. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux and Android and any Chromium-based browser. For iOS, use any BLE-based browser like Bluefire. Before we get into the setup, let's quickly understand what an ECG is. ECG stands for electrocardiogram. It records the electrical activity of your heart. The waveform you will see has three main parts. The P wave, which represents atrial contraction, the QRS complex, which is the large spike produced when the ventricles contract, and the T wave, which represents the heart relaxing before the next beat. This pattern repeats with every heartbeat, and observing this waveform lets us understand how the heart functions. Here is everything you will need. Neuro PlayGround Lite, which comes in Explorer, Ninja or Beast Pack. 3 bioamp snap cables, gel electrodes, new prep skin preparation gel for alcohol swabs, and a phone or laptop running Chrome, Brave, Edge or any Chromium-based browser. The first step is flashing the correct firmware onto NPG Lite. We'll be using the NPG Lite BLE firmware, and the easiest way to install it is using the NPG Lite Flasher web. No Arduino ID required. First, the battery cable is connected exactly as shown. Turn on your NPG Lite using the power switch on it and make sure the battery is sufficiently charged. Now, connect your NPG Lite to your computer using a USB to Type-C cable. Open NPG Lite Flasher web in your browser. You'll find the link in the description box below. Once you're on the interface, click Connect and select the USB device named USB JTAG. Next, select the NPG Lite BLE firmware and click Flash. The process only takes a few seconds. Once flashing is complete, disconnect the USB cable. From this point onwards, your NPG Lite works wirelessly. Before applying the electrodes, it's important to prepare the skin properly. Good skin preparation improves electrode contact and results in a much clearer ECG signal. You can choose either of the two placement methods. Chest placement. Start by applying a small amount of new prep skin preparation gel where the electrodes will be placed. Wipe the area clean using a alcohol swab. Now connect the snap cables to the gel electrodes and peel them off the plastic backing. Place one electrode on the left side of your chest, place one electrode just to its right with some gap, and one on the right side of your chest. Connect the other ends of the snap cables to your NPG Lite. Connect the positive cable attached to the middle of your chest to A0P. Connect the negative cable attached to the left side of your chest to A0N. Connect the reference cable attached to the right side of your chest to reference. Wrist placement. One electrode on your right hand, place one electrode on your left hand, and one on the back of your palm. Once the electrodes are in place, connect the other ends of the snap cables to your NPG Lite. Connect the positive cable or right hand to A0P. Connect the negative cable or left hand to A0N. Connect the reference cable, the back of your palm to reference. Now it's time to connect your NPG Lite to the ECG monitor. Before connecting, make sure NPG Lite is not connected to a charger and try to sit 1 meter away from any AC powered appliances to get the cleanest signal possible. Enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop. One important thing, don't pair your NPG Lite to your operating system's Bluetooth settings. Now open NPG Lite Cardio using the link in the description. If the connect button doesn't work, go to flag settings of your browser and enable web Bluetooth, and then try reconnecting to the app. Click on the connect button, select your NPG Lite from the device list and click on pair. Within a few seconds, your live ECG waveform will begin streaming. At the top center of the screen, you will see your heart rate in beats per minute. The heart icon beside it pulses with every detected heartbeat. Heartbeats are detected using the Pan-Tompkins algorithm, which identifies the QRS complex rather than relying on simple amplitude thresholds. This provides reliable heart rate detection, even in the presence of noise or baseline drift. Now, let's look at the toolbar. The information button explains the waveform scaling and filtering used by the application. The full screen button expands the ECG visualizer to fill the entire screen, making it especially usable on mobile devices. The theme button switches between dark and light mode. The disconnect button is positioned in the top right corner. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the connect button, which is also the play-pause button when the device is connected. The peak toggle button shows or hides the R-peak markers detected on each heartbeat. The DC filter removes slow baseline drift caused by movement or changes in electrode contact. It is enabled by default for a more stable ECG waveform. If your ECG waveform appears upside down like this, don't worry. Simply swap the positive and negative electrodes. You can also record your ECG signal directly within the browser. Click on the record button to begin recording. An on-screen timer shows how long you've been recording. Recordings must be at least 12 seconds long. Anything shorter than that is automatically discarded. When you stop the recording, the session is saved in your browser storage. Click the recordings button to access all your saved recordings. From here, you can replay any recording exactly as it was captured. You can scroll through the data using the scroll wheel or simply swiping on touch devices. It also has a mini map at the bottom that lets you quickly jump to any point in the recording. You can also rename recordings by simply clicking on the file name. You can download them as CSV files for further analysis, and you can delete the recordings you no longer need. Keep in mind that recordings are stored in your browser's local storage. So if you clear your browser's site data, your recordings will be permanently deleted. So remember to download anything you want to keep. And that's NPG Lite Cardio. Whether you're learning about ECG signals, conducting research, teaching students, or building biomedical projects, NPG Lite Cardio is a simple and accessible way to analyze, visualize, and record ECG signals. You can find the links to the NPG Lite Flasher Web, the Electrode Placement Guide, and NPG Lite Cardio in the description box. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we will be happy to help. See you in the next one. Until then, keep tinkering.